Welcome to all my subscribers, young and old, new and old. Anyways, let's get to the matter at hand. Fry fish. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Yes, we have some white snapper here that's been scaled, gilled, washed, salted, and cut up, you know, to make it easier to fry. Um, Make sure you put some lime or lemons on the fish. Then here we're gonna flour the fish. Yes, because we're gonna brown stew it, and I like to flour my fish before I fry it, so that when you're making the gravy with the brown stew, the flour kind of helps to thicken the gravy. And you can know it's a true Jamaican household. You see that bottle there with the black pepper? Yeah, that's what Jamaicans do. We usually use empty bottles and store other things in them. Anyways, make sure you put some black pepper in the flour and incorporate it well. Yeah, mix it well. Then you're gonna put some oil in a pan, a good bit of oil. You add 2 crushed pegs of garlic. This does 2 things: adds flavor, as well as it will tell you when the oil is hot enough. Yeah, so put it there, and while that's frying up there, then I'm gonna show you how we flour the fish. So the flouring also helps to get some of the moisture out of it. If you don't have no paper towel, or you don't want to use up any dish towels, so we're drying out the fish and all that, then you shake off the excess water, and then make sure you put enough flour in the plate. And then, just like you see me doing there, you make sure you put flour on the outside and flour on the inside. And don't worry about any of the excess flour, because just before you put it into the oil, which by the way, you must make sure that the oil is hot enough, anyway, we'll soon get back to that. Yeah, so flour the fish, flour it very good. Come on, you saw me rub it up there. Flour it very, very, very good. Yeah, man. So finish with the flour and that set of fish then now. So go back to the oil there. You see all the garlic them frying up nice. Yeah, so when the garlic get to a nice dark brown color, you know that the oil ready for the fish. Make sure you take out or you remove all of the garlic. You see there? So it look dark brown and nice. Yeah, it's ready. Remove every bit of it, or else it's gonna stay in there and burn. Anyways, make sure you use a non-stick pot. That's very good now in the 21st century, and non-stick pot is best for frying, so you don't burn up, you don't get burned up. And yeah, just like I said, remove every bit of the garlic. Use a non-stick pot, as I told you, and put it on medium heat, and you're gonna get a very lovely finish. Okay, so you shake off the excess flour, and be careful when you're putting it in the pot, because the oil is very hot and it will burn you. As you know, Jamaicans know we get burned a lot of times when you're frying the fish there. And I tell us that I'll get very lively when the little water from the fish get into the oil. It just spew all over the place and burn you up sometimes. You have to be very careful. Anyways, you're frying it on medium setting there, and you wait until you see the little edges round getting brown, that's when you know that that side you can turn it now without it, you know, sticking. But you're not supposed to stick with it. But anyways, back home we use a Dutch pot, and you have to make sure you don't try and turn the fish. And if you're trying to turn it and it's not turning, you just leave it. When it fry up nice enough on that side, then you can turn it. So now I turn it one time. Yeah, see it frying up nice there. You notice also the oil is not bubbling up as it was before, because most of the liquid now gone from the fish, and you know it's being properly fried. So I like frying my turning my fish rather 2 times. So let it fry up on one side a little, and then give it a few minutes, and then turn it again. So waiting, give it a few minutes. So it's frying up nice, and look at the sediment of the flour. See it not burning because it's a non-stick pot and it's on the medium heat there. Do it just like that. Yeah. Time for turn it again. Oops. You see the spill? You have to be careful. Very careful when you're frying fish, man. A lot of burn. Yeah. Yeah, so soon time for us to take out the first step here. Frying up nicely. fried fish on fleek. A little trick there, let me share that with you. If you want to make sure that the inside where you cut the fish is well done, brown and nice, sometimes if you don't put enough oil in there to cover it, then or depending on the size of the fish, then the inside there that you cut won't get brown enough as you want it. So my little trick there is to just put it to stand like that. It's a little bit difficult, but with time, practice, you can get it. So you just put it to stand up there, and it will fry up nice for you. Yes, that's about the next second set of fish fried. Wow, it looks beautiful. Nice and golden brown, just the way I like it. Yes, and coming up now, look at the oil. See, because you use a non-stick pot and a medium heat, you see that finish frying all 4 sets and the oil is still not burned. Look at my finished product. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.